On October 1st, 2012, I brought home a puppy from the Humane Society. Her name is Callie, and she was 8 weeks old when we brought her home. So I want to know approximately how much money I'm going to spend on dog food in the first year. So they predict that she will be between 30 and 40 pounds full grown. Therefore, following the guidelines on the back of the dog food bag, I fed her 1 cup twice a day for the first 6 weeks, and now she eats 1.5 cups twice a day and will continue to get that amount until she is a full year. So there is some information on the dog food bag here, and it says, this bag contains approximately 32 cups of food. I also have my receipt from my last vet visit, and it says that 2 bags of dog food was exactly $41.18.